Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the message of Office something went wrong. Message in Office. Sorry, we ran into a problem. Error code 30,068 to 39. Let's go start. Press the Windows logo key plus R to call out the Run box. In the box type services.msc and press Enter to open the Services tool. Scroll down to find Microsoft Office. Click to run service. And right-click it, choose Properties. On the General tab, make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Click Apply and then OK to save changes. Close. Press the Windows logo key plus I to open Settings. Click Apps. Apps and Features. Find the Office All app and click it. Click Advanced Options. Find the Reset section and click Reset. Click Repair to repair the tool. Close window. Type CMD in the Windows search box. Right-click the CMD icon and select Run as administrator. In the Command EXE window, type sfc/scan now. And press the Enter key. Wait for system scan. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Close window. Go to Control Panel and click on Programs. Scroll down and check for any versions of MS Office. Click Uninstall and then confirm with Uninstall. Yes, click. Close and reboot your system. Click No. Type PowerShell in Windows search. Click on the result and pick Run as administrator. In the new window, copy the following command and paste here. Close window. Go to this PC. Click C drive. Under C drive, click Programs Files 86. Find and right-click it, select Delete. Program Files. Find and delete Microsoft Office 15. Close window. Press the Windows logo key plus R to call out the Run box. Type here temp and press Enter. Click Ctrl+A, click Delete. Close and again. Type here temp and press Enter. Click Ctrl+A, click Delete. Close and again. Press the Windows logo key plus R to call out the Run box. Type Prefetch and Enter. Click Ctrl+A, click Delete. Delete and close. Clean Recycle bin. Now restart your system. Just open any web browser, type here for the Office Deployment tool, and press Enter. The first link is from Microsoft. We'll go ahead and download these tools. Go to the download file and copy the Office tool. Go to this PC. On Go C Drive, create a new folder on Drive and paste it. Right-click on it and run as administrator. Click Yes, this one, continue, click. It's going to ask us where we want to store the extracted files and put them on already created folder Office 2019. Again, open browser. Office customization, type here on search bar. The first link is from Microsoft. Which architecture do you want to system? I check my system bit. My operating 64-bit. I chose the 64-bit. Select Office Suites product, and I choose Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. Now Office Apps Customize. Next, click. Language must be select primary. Choose the English US. Next, click. Next, click. Next, click. Next, click. Click Finish. Now finally, check the configured settings. After recheck and click Export. See the new interface and select the Office Open XML formats and OK. Select the box for I accept the terms in the license agreement. Finally, click on Export. Go to the download file and copy. Go to the C drive and paste the already created folder. Delete existing configure file. In the search box on the taskbar, enter CMD, right-click CMD, and then select Run as administrator. Now copy the creating folder path location. Type here cd space folder location path. Please enter. Now type here setup.exe/configure configuration.xml. Press Enter. Download and installing Office automatically. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.